Hey guys, just reached Ocean Paradise Hotel. Now crossing. Got the room, so now checking in. I have to give my ID card to them. Okay guys, got the room, but there is only one hassle. There is no single bed, two single beds. So I don't know how it's gonna look, but anyway, got a room though. So see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, checking in is done, and now going to my room.
Sixth floor, lift to 5 steps.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Hey guys, just checked in. Now showing you guys the room. The room is awesome, but the only hassle is two single bed, but they don't have available of one big bed. This is the toilet. This is the entrance closet, mirror, TV. And there is one good thing in this room is I can see the ocean from my window. It's an ocean view, so that's something I didn't got for ages. After ages later I got an ocean view room, so that is awesome. So let's see what else I can do today, because it's super rainy day today, so I don't know. So let's see. The weather app says that the rain is gonna reduce at 4 p.m. or something like that. So till then probably have to stay in my room, and after that I don't let's see what happens today.